Deco Wonder is the title of a brand new product from our friends at Hunky Dory. Now, it has the same things you would expect, but it's in a different format, okay? It's called a Deluxe Craft Pad. It's an A4 size, and it is padded at the top, so that makes it easy to keep everything together. Now, there are going to be 4 collections inside. We do get ideas on the front of the package, as you would expect. We also see all of the pieces on the back of the package, but I've put them together and I'll show them to you as each collection unfolds. Now, here is the first. It's called Art Deco Days, and you can see that beautiful gold foiling. There are many images that are nested, so like there's 3 pieces there and 3 there. You get some with greetings, some with just the imagery. You also will get a foiled cardstock that matches, and this is the one that matches, so you can see that foiling. You also get a printed cardstock, and here is the one that matches. Then you get 2 inserts. Now, this insert, as you can tell, matches this cardstock, but you'll notice that the lady is on opposite sides, and that just works perfectly. The insert is meant to go inside, to be inserted inside your card, but you can use it wherever you like. In fact, our designers have used them on the front of the cards. And there is the second insert. So it makes a really nice little package together. So this is one of 4. Here is the second one, that midnight blue, and again the gold foiling. The Art Deco is just such a very chic looking piece. Now here we have the foiled, isn't that gorgeous? Yes, the foiled cardstock and the printed cardstock right there. Very celebration going on. And then we have the 2 inserts. Again, the ghosted back imagery of those cardstocks that you just saw. Okay, here is the third. This is called Stylish Ladies, and I think they're all kind of pretty stylish. Very, very pretty. Everyone needs a sister like you. Happy birthday. So for a stylish friend with love. So that's very nice. And here is the foiled cardstock. All those stars are shining, as well as the printed cardstock. There we go. And again, 2 inserts that are mirroring the imagery that you just saw. There you go. And the last one is this. It's called Your Limited Edition. I like that. And you can see all that foiling, gorgeous. These just pop right out. Borders, greetings, just for you. Thanks so much. You're a limited edition. That's nice to hear. Here is the foiled piece. There you go. And then there is the printed piece. And the very last 2 of the inserts. There's one. And there is the last one. So it makes a really nice package, and you don't even have to remember the way I put them together because they're right there within the package. And it comes and Deco Wonder. This is the first set I've seen. They've released 3 of them, these Deluxe Craft Pads.